We wanted to share with you some of the clients we spoke with last week just to see if you run across anyone like this week that we should speak with. So we got a call from a realtor last week. Now, the realtor has a mother up in years, a little bit older, and she needs to move. Needs to move closer to them, needs to move to a home that fits her needs better. The challenge is she has years and years and years worth of memories all over the house, which equates to stuff. She's not going to be able to get her home up for sale, going to be able to get it all organized, get it ready to show to possible buyers because she's up in years, she's on her own where she's at. It's going to be tough. So they wanted to find a solution. Is there a way, since they have so much equity, that their mother could buy now and sell later, buy now and sell later? So we've got options for them where they're going to be able to use the equity to close on a home. And then once they close on the home, put the other home officially on the market to be able to do it without as much stress for his mom, stress for him, and stress for the family. So we have some great options like that. So that was one of the folks that we chatted with. Another one was a realtor. So the realtor had worked in real estate for years. Unfortunately, the market had been a little slower for her. She hadn't been able to sell as many homes as she had in the past. The sales had slowed down, but the bills unfortunately kept coming. So we're able to share with her there are some options where she could pay off her small mortgage balance, get a little bit of cash to pay off her credit cards, and still own her home, still be able to sell her home with the new and improved reverse mortgages. So we're looking into those for her. We spoke to some other clients that we're in process with. Now, their situation was a little bit different. They had tons of equity in their home. Unfortunately, had gotten some rough news. One of the two had been diagnosed with cancer, and they're worried about what if? What if things don't go as planned? What if challenges come up? What if, what if, what if? So, just to take the stress off their situation, to give them more peace of mind, we're in the process now of paying off their mortgage. So that payment goes from about $1,600 a month down to zero. We're going to be able to give them a little bit of money to make sure they pay off their credit cards. And that way, they've got enough stress on them, but that way, financial stress is not one of the stresses that they're dealing with. So we're definitely blessed to be able to help them get through this tough time. So that was another scenario, and where the reverse mortgage has huge implications for someone going through a difficult situation. We got another call from a realtor. She was calling for one of her clients. She said, I wish there was a thing that you could actually buy a home with a reverse mortgage. Is that possible? I've heard there maybe is. And we're able to share with her what a reverse mortgage for purchase is. So her client is planning on selling their home. They're going to make a lot of money. They're going to put that money down on a new home, but not all of it. They're going to be able to put about half down, keep the other half in the bank, so they'll have a new home, a new budget, a new place to live, but not a new monthly payment. With the new and improved reverse mortgages, you can actually buy a home and not have to make a monthly payment. So she was really excited about that. So if any of these scenarios sounds like you or somebody you know, please feel free to reach out. We'd love to answer any questions, love to educate you. If it's great for you, we can take care of it. If it's not for you, maybe it's for somebody else. Our goal is to help seniors not just survive, but thrive in retirement, and we're here to help. Anything we can do for you and your loved ones, Matt Helton, 615-400-6764. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.